Hello, it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for close to my heart, launching the March-April catalog. If you are currently a customer, you should have received your catalog by now. I'm hoping so. If not, you can leave a comment below and I'll find out what the delay might be. And it might be because this month is a little bit shorter. They were supposed to start mailing them out about February 17th. If you would love to be a customer of mine and would like one of these catalogs, you need to message me below. All right, off to all the goodies that are in this catalog for March through April. As you can tell, there's this beautiful beach theme right here. Oh my gosh, this is a beautiful collection. All right, if you've not heard of Craft with Heart, that is a subscription club for you can get a subscription for card making and layouts. And there are 3 different plans. It's all listed on the website. It's called Yesterday and Today. So it is a heritage kit. So here are some of the things. Here's a sample of the layout that you can create using this kit. But let's move on quickly to here. All right. So let's stay in. So here we have the papers. And you got the B side and the back side. And I do have the paper and sticker set. I have the paper with the sticker set. I'll show you in a minute. So you can get Yesterday and Today paper pack and sticker set. You get 6 sheets double-sided and the sticker sheet, or you can just get the paper pack. And then we have the cardstock, Yesterday and Today foil die cuts. Yes, isn't that cool? And then Yesterday and Today vellum cuts. Then Yesterday and Today the life picture cards right here. And I'm not going to go over the prices. If you want to, you can check the website, and or you can message me below. We have this stamp set right here, and it is called Yesterday and Today Card Making. And you can get it just with the stamps, or you can get it with the thin cuts with it. So you can just get the stamp itself and fussy cut yourself, or fussy cut the elements yourself, or you can get the thin cuts that go with it. This one, Yesterday and Today, every family has a story. You have these silhouettes. This is us card making set. This is called the scrapbooking and thin cut set. Same thing, you can get just the stamps, or you can get it with the thin cuts. And look at these gorgeous layouts. You'll get the Yesterday and Today paper pack sticker sheet, cardstock sheet, 6 die cut sheets, 1 set of exclusive wood shapes, 1 set of white pearl embellishments like gems, and you'll get 4 top loading sheets if you would like that. And that is an awesome deal for $34.95, or you can get this whole kit without the protector sheets for $29.95. And these are the layouts that you'll create using that kit. All right, here is the card kit, and you'll get 1 exclusive stamp and thin cuts. You'll get 2 sheets of Yesterday and Today. That would be this one. You'll get 3 cardstock. You'll get 2 craft paper sheets, and you'll get 1 mink twine, and you'll get 16 cards and envelopes and the instructions. So you will be able to make 16 cards, and most of the time you will have extra paper left over, but if you want to purchase extra, you can purchase all these as well. All right, here are the cards that you'll make. All right, now off to a fun, bright collection. Seize the Day. Isn't this beautiful? I love this wood grain. I have not purchased it yet, but I am here in the next week. So this will be a project that I will work on in March. Just like you, I wish I could have it all, and I can't have it all at one time. And you can see I've already gone through here and circled what I'm purchasing. I've decided this time I am not going to get the workshop kit in this collection. I am going to purchase the paper pack with the sticker sheet, and then a second paper pack, and I will probably purchase the cardstock and the Seize the Day die cuts and the dots, and I may get the life cards. Now, you asked me why I'm not getting the kit this time, because I feel like I have my mojo and I'm not pressed for time. So I like to come up with some of my own creations, or I like to scrap lift these in here. These are stamp sets. So this is Seize the Day card making stamp set, and then this is Seize the Day scrapbooking set. And again, you get the stamp if you want just the stamp, or you can get the stamp with the die cuts. All right, here comes Seize the Day workshop kit. So now you can get this workshop kit, which is awesome. If that meets your style, or you're having a mojo problem or creative block, however you want to say it, you've lost your mojo or creative block, get these kits. It really truly helps, and you can put your own twist on it. You just saw me last month put my own twist on my workshop kit. Actually, I've done 3 workshop kits, and I'm loving it. So the same thing, you're going to get 6 exclusive die cuts already done for you, okay? They're already cut. You don't have to worry about using your Cricut if you have one, or your Silhouette, whatever, or Cameo that you have. You don't even have to crack that out if you don't want to. You're going to have everything right here. And the instructions are so simple to follow. Same with when these die cuts, they I know you can't tell in here, but they'll say project 1, project 2. So I like some of the projects. I'm going to try to mimic, not everything. This is the Seize the Day card making set, and you'll get this stamp set, I think, with it. Let's see, yes, you'll get the exclusive. Aren't these cute? The whale, the crab, and this. So I think this time I'm getting the card making kit set. I hadn't done that since Christmas time, so I think I'm going to get that one. Aren't these cute? These are adorable. I love this whale. I think it's adorable. Cute, cute, cute. Here's one that you can scrap lift. And it's a combination of using some of the die cuts in the Heritage and the mix-in paper pack. So this is a mix-in paper pack, and you can also get the coordinating cardstock, which they're not showing that, but they show you the colors right here in the catalog. Cute, cute, cute. All right, what's my favorite on this? This little bug right here. VW bug. I love it, love it, love it. But here is a stamp set to make these card sets right here. Cute. Love it. All right, I got to move along. All right, we got some Easter. Look at this layout here. So you got to look everywhere on these catalogs to get ideas. So we've got Easter coming up. Isn't that bunny cute? I mean, that would be so fun to just sit down and create that. It's relaxing to get out your watercolors or your inks or your tri-blends and just color. All right, we've got Life is, let's see, this is Fairy Tale Magic, along with the unicorn. Here is Flying By Greetings. Here's a favorite. Yep, you can see I fold down the corner. Love, love this. All right, then we have with heartful sympathy. So you have your the front of your base is your introduction, and then inside you have these prescript words. Isn't that cool? So those we love can never be more than a thought away. For as long as there's a memory, they live in our hearts to stay. Isn't that cute? And then we got, thank you for your kind expression of sympathy at the time when it was needed most. So this can be a reply back. I love this stamp. At this difficult time, I wish I could take all the pain and sorrow from you, but for now I will offer my hand to hold and my shoulder to lean upon. Love it. These are awesome, awesome for sympathy. All right, here's a Mighty Oak stamp. And you can get the thin cuts as well. Now see, I would love to have this, but I have a sidekick, so I could not purchase this kit or this stamp set. But they're meant, you know, all stamps can't and thin cuts can't be just for Dolly size. Then we have Wild and Free. And then we have Dreams Take Flight. I love the cloud, how they layered that up. Look at this idea for doing tags. This is called Sentiment and Stitches. Handmade with love, life is better with friends, wishing you everything happy, people like you make the world pretty, life is sweeter when I share with a friend like you, wanted you to know you're in my prayers, just a little note to say I think you're pretty amazing. Love that phrase. Okay, graduation's going to be coming up soon. Love this card set for the graduate. Oh, and look at this right here. After the rain comes rainbows. Isn't that cute? That's a separate one. They made that card right there. All right, and then this one here, Spreading Sunshine. That cute. That's kind of like a mixed media type cloud. So it says, thank you, hello, congrats, happy birthday, anniversary, much love. Here's a birthday one. Hugs and kisses and lots of birthday wishes. Love that one. There. Cute, cute, cute. Look at the little cupcakes right there, and presents and banners, fish banner stamps. All right, here's another one. These are the people. So look at this right here. So we've got, here are my people paper pack and sticker sheets, and these are the paper pack, just the paper on its own, and then the stamp. I'm a sucker for rose type stamps and these wreath stamps. So yes, this is going on my list. And then look at this pretty color cardstock. Now there's not a workshop kit, so you have to purchase those individually. Beautiful. Look at this right here. Now this is a Cricut release. So you can shrink these down. So anyway, you'll need to look over it close to my heart for the details, or leave a comment below if you would like to know more about that. Then we have the thin cuts and embossing stamp. Then we have this Under the Sea embossing folder for those that have larger die cut machines. All right, embellishments. We have silver star confetti, seashell sequins. We have 2 new shimmer brushes coming out in peach and coffee. Then the stamp of the month for March is this Family Legacy. It's 17 stamps. Remember, if you order $50 and more, you can get this for $5. Add it to your order. For the month of April, the stamp is Officially Awesome. Cute, cute, cute. Same thing. Regular $18.95 if you just buy it, or if you place an order of $50 more, you can get it for $5. And finally, this is Operation Smile. When you purchase the You Make Me Happy stamp, we donate $7 of the proceeds to Operation Smile, a nonprofit organization that provides surgeries to repair cleft lip and palates of children around the world. Aren't these cute? They are adorable, these little animals. Who could not pass these up? All right, not me. All right, sorry for the lengthy video. Last time I went through this, last month I went through the catalog too fast, and some of my viewers let me know that, and I was a-okay with that. It was just 2 comments. 2 comments out of several of them. That's a-okay. So I am making this video a little bit longer. All right, you're going to need to stay tuned to the next video where I show you what I purchased from yesterday and today. All right, until next time, have a fabulous, wonderful, awesome day. And be sure to give me a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic to my channel. I appreciate you all. Get out those photographs and document those memories in a fun, creative way. And all my links will be listed below. Bye.